Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. Children, let us continue with our chapter, text formatting in MS Word. Until our last class, we have seen how to do spacing between the lines and paragraphs. So today we are going to see few more features of MS Word, which helps you to enhance your documents. So let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to start with the topic bullet and numbers. Now, what do you mean by bullet? It is not the bullet of gun. It is like dots, how we use. See, whenever we are making any list, okay, whenever we are making any list, whenever we are writing an answer, we have to write points to it. So we put it like 1, point, 2, point, 3, point, 4, point, right? Or some people have habit. Can you see on the screen? To mark a bulleted list, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. How are these point written? Are they written as 1 2 3? No, they are written in they are marked in like a triangle, right? In a triangle. So these kind of shapes, it can be a zero, it can be like an arrow, it can be a triangle, it can be like a tick mark. Any which way you take it, those are called as bullets. And numbered are numbers, like you can make it as 1 2 3 4 5, or normal 1 2 3, or Roman number 1 2 3, or ABCD, capital ABCD, small ABCD. So whichever way you want to. So bullet is a symbol which is used to mark an item in a list. Whenever we are listing something, we mark it like an item, right? You can use different types of symbols to mark the list items typed in the different line. So you can use as many as different types you want to. To mark a bulleted list, what are you supposed to do? Type the list items in different lines. Firstly, you write all the lines separate. It should not be continuous. It should be separate. Select all the lines containing the list items. So then after writing all the lines, select all the lines. Then go to select bullets options from the paragraph group under the home tab. From the drop down list, you can select different bullet styles. Now let's see, where do we find it? So yes, they have seen here, they have written some different parts of plants. So they have written root, stem, leaves, flower, seeds. After that, they are asking us to go to home tab, and then in the paragraph menu, you take the rest one. Let's see, do I have something? Yes, I have something. But again, we will also go with the same thing. Yes, I will also go with the, I'll say parts of plant. Parts of plants. I'll just select this one because it's a bolded one. I don't want bolded, I want normal. Okay, parts of plant is first one. Stem, roots. Oh god, there's so much space. I don't want this space. How should I remove? Just select it, go to paragraph and select from here and say remove space and reduce the space size. Remove the space. I removed the space. Okay, but I want a space here after this one. Okay, roots, leaves, flower, right? And then buds, root, stems, leaves, flower, buds, branches. Can we take as branches? Okay, so many. So I want to list it out. Okay, these I've written in front of you. I want to make it as a list. What am I supposed to do? I will select all. Then I'll go for paragraph tab. Now my paragraph tab is from here to here. This full box is a paragraph. We have seen these are alignments. We have seen this is for spacing. Now where is bulleting? Can you see here? List. Can you see 3 lines? Here it is like let me increase. Okay. Here when you click it, you have like this. Can you see it is a dot? Just see, children, whenever I'm just moving towards any of the bullets, the list which I had selected has got bullets. See, can you see here? Now it is plain, right? Now these are plain. Now see. Can you see here? See, now it became circle, now squares. Now this is like a stamp one, flowers, arrows, sticks. I don't know, I'm liking this one or I'm liking this one also. I'll just take this. Yes, it is not number, it is some small symbol, right? Instead, if I want to go for numbering, so where should I go? Beside this bullets, can you see bullets? The computer itself is prompting me up. bullets. Now below, beside that is numbering. Just click on that. See, can you see? Now my list will become into 1, 2, 3. See, can you see? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 with a closing bracket, then Roman number or capital ABCD, small ABCD with a bracket or with a dot or small Roman number. So these are the different style which you can use it. So let me use this one, ABCD, right? Whichever you want. Either you go for the numbers, either you go for the bullets. This is how we use bullets in your list. So it's very useful, right? Whenever we are writing some document and we want to list it up, we want to write number 1 point, number 2 point, so you can use those kind of things. Note, by default MS Word applies black dots as the bullet to your list. If you want to give numbers to your list, click numbering option or paragraph group under home tab. It means by default, whenever you want to write a list, by default computer will give you this dot. But if you want to change it to other one, then you are supposed to use for paragraph. Go to paragraph tab and change the list like this. This is for you to try out. Type a text in the Word document. Apply bullets as shown in the following image. You are supposed to apply bullets. So body parts, write it. One way you have to put it as arrow marks. Second way you are supposed to put it as Roman numbers. Please try out in your computer systems. Now applying borders. You can give beautiful artistic borders to the whole page of your document. Open border tab. Okay. Now can you see this? Is this page having any border? No, it's a plain page. What if I can say I can just put borders? So you'll say, okay, you can go to insert, go to shapes, take lines and put lines from here to here. We can do it, but it's unattractive, right? We need to put lots of efforts. But children, we do have it ready-made thing available for us in MS Word. Now from where do I go for that? Go to open page border under page background group in design tab, okay. Border and shade dialog box will open. Click the page border tab. Select an artistic border for your page from art drop down list or select the settings such as text border. We'll do it here. So they said me saying the to insert. Okay. I have to go to page layout. Fine. I have to go to page layout. From here, I have to select page borders. Page borders. So here I have page border different styles. Can you see here? If I take a box type, I have borders like this. Page borders like this. 3D borders are available with me. Customized borders are available the way I want it to have. Yes. I'll just select, firstly we will select a plain one, okay. First one is none, there shouldn't be any border. Otherwise take a box type. From here, can you see style here, style. So you can take a dotted this one or just see how many different kinds of things are available. See 3 lines, you'll get 2 lines. So whichever is, you have zigzag lines. Yes, which 2 zigzag line like this. So whichever suits you, you can take it. Now if you want it in a color way, now plain it will be black. Now I want it in a, see, can you see now the border came right to your page like the same way. Or make it in a different color. We will go for some orange color. See, now it became orange color. Or if you want to take any different line, let me take different line and I'll take a different color. I'll take a blue color. See, now it has become a blue color one. Correct? Or we will, instead of that, you can go, there is an option called art. And here width also can be changed. See here, width also can be changed. Now see, it has become thicker. Correct? So you can select the way you want your borders to be. Now the shaded one, how much thick shade you want, thicker shade you want, and you want it in a purplish way. Can you see? Now this border has got different borders. And there is one more option called art option. What is it? Art. You click on art, you have different shapes available. Ice cream, chocolates. Now I'll take green tree. See how I hold my pages with a green tree. And let me see if I can get some more attractive stars. We have pencils, lollipops. See this, it has become like a flower. And we can make this flower into red color. See, now it became red color. Yes, select the way you want it. See, like this. So these are the different types of borders available in our WordPad, and whichever you want to take it, you can take it of your own choices. So I'll just select the shade one. This is how you can put the borders to your pages. Highlighting a text. Children, if you want to highlight some important text in your document to draw the attention of the reader, you can give a permanent selections to the text with the color of your choice. Select the text to be highlighted. Click the text highlight color option in the font group under the home tab. Select a color of your choice and highlight it. Okay, see, imagine why do we have this highlight as children? Imagine you want to bring focus. See here, this is all about Venus and Earth. But if you want to give some focus, okay, you want to give focus to first line. Earth is the largest inner planet, or Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life is possible. This particular line is more important, and you want the reader, whoever is reading your document, they have to focus on that point for sure. So you can use highlights. So how are you supposed to use highlights? So select whichever you want to. You can give different colors to it. So the person who is actually reading it will go and definitely read that point for sure. Okay, for that, what are you supposed to do? They have said saying that select the text whichever you want to highlight. In the font tab, go to highlight. Can you see here highlight? So text highlight color. So click here. From here, you can select any color possible. Okay, usually people go for magic colors, yellow colors, pink colors. So I will take a gray because it's little. So whoever reads this, when they come to gray, okay, this is an important, this one. This is how we use highlight text for highlighting the text. Next, let's say MS Words provides more feature to make a document more beautiful. We can make greeting cards, invitation cards, and posters, etc. using Word. The tools like clip art, pictures, shapes, and word art are found in Insert tab of the ribbon. So we can insert or copy the desired picture into the document to make it more attractive. To insert a picture, place the cursor at the desired location in the document. Click the Insert tab, go to Illustration group and click the picture option, and Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the desired picture and click on Insert. Yes, children, see, I'll just share you a big screen. Okay, now you will be able to see my big screen here. Okay, imagine on this particular paper, I can even make a, what do you say, invitation card, a greeting card, and make it more attractive. It's not just that we can write here, we can put pictures also here. How do we do? Can you just see here, Insert tab, click on Insert tab and click on Pictures tab. When you click on Pictures tab, this Picture tab dialog box will open. So what is it like all about? It will open you the options from where you can take the pictures available in your computer system. Imagine I want to take a bird here. So I have to select where I want to put the bird. So imagine I want to put my bird here. Okay, I want to put my bird here. So I'll just go to pictures and then I'll select the bird which I wanted to select. Where is that bird? Yes, I will say insert. See, my picture came off. Isn't it good? Yes, so you can make it as more beautiful as possible. You can fill your whole document with many pictures and talk about. Yes, or simply you can even cut, copy, paste. You can just go to your document, go to pictures. Okay, I'll take a picture from screenshot only. Let me see a nice picture I want. Okay, I'll take an okay, I'll take an hummingbird. Or this one. I'll take this one. You just can go to the pictures, go to copy and come back to your Word and do paste. Right click and you can just paste it up. So when you do paste, see your image has got pasted here. Yes, see. Can you see here? So your picture has got pasted. So wherever you want to place it, and you can decrease the size of it also like this. See, can you see beside these pictures, you have some at the corners you have circles, at the edges you have squares. So take your cursor there. Your cursor will become like your mouse pointer, you take it there, your mouse pointer becomes like a horizontal line, and keep your plus sign. So once you press your left click, that particular pointer becomes like a plus sign. Can you see here? It becomes a plus, and then you can just decrease it or increasing by dragging your mouse. Yes, by dragging your mouse you can increase or decrease your size of your images on your document. This is how you put images into your document. So this is about inserting pictures. Inserting shapes also is there, children. I will just quickly take you through because it's very easy. Can you come here? I'll just read it for you first. In MS Word 2013 provides various shapes like circle, triangle, circle, rectangle, arrow, flowchart, etc., which can be used in document as per the needs. As per your need, you can use such. To insert, place the cursor at the desired location in the document. Click the Insert tab, go to Illustration Group and click the Shape option. We can see different shapes like this. Basic shapes are block arrow, flowchart, call out, stars, banners. Click the basic shape, example rectangle, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer to draw a rectangle in the document. Click the rectangle, we can see dots on and outside the circle. These are the handles of the shapes. With the help of handles, we can increase or decrease the size of the inserted shapes. As I said, you have dots beside your image, so you can just drag and drop and make it a different size. Now how will we do? We inserted a picture. Come down, imagine I want to put a shape here. How I should go to Insert tab. From illustration, this illustration tab, you have pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art, charts, screenshots, right? You can go to shapes here, see how many different kinds of shapes are available. I'll just show you a little bigger one. See here, see, so many different are there. We have different arrows, lines, rectangles, basic shapes are there, block arrows are there, equation shapes are there, plus, minus, into, division, not equal to, flow chart, stars and banners, call outs. You can just say, imagine you're writing something and you want to put it here. So how you should do is, it's simple. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, take out any shape you want to. Let me take a star. I want to take a star. Now, can you see my mouse pointer? How it has become? It has become like a plus sign. So what am I supposed to do? Press left click. Keep it pressed until you get the shape. Okay. Now now I'm pressing. See, now I have pressed it. Can you see here? I am pressing it and I'll just move my pointer. I'm not leaving the left click. See, can you see here? I'm not leaving it at all. So I'll just keep it. So till what size I want to, I can just keep it and my star is there. So I can now can you see when my mouse pointer comes outside, it becomes like an eye. When it goes aside, it becomes like an arrow. And when it goes inside the picture, it becomes like a plus symbol. Can you see here? See. So when the mouse pointer turns like a plus symbol, you can just do left click and drag here and there your images. So this is it. Imagine I want to increase this. I want to increase the size of the star. So how can I do? Click on this. Now beside this one, we have small circles and square buttons. I can just take it there and drag it. right? You can do like this. Formatting a shape, we can format and insert a shape by choice. Click the shape to draw, click the shape to select. We can change, we can do changes in the selected images also. So how to do all those things, I will be taking you in the next class. As of now, just remember, we can put the borders, we can go for page layout. From page layout, you have to go to page background options. From backgrounds, you have to go to page borders and select the border from wherever you want. You have different styles are available, different colors, different width, how much thick, how much big you want, and then word art also is available. Okay, so imagine if you say that you have put a border and you don't want the border, how should you go? Come back again to page layout, the same page, this one. Can you see here none? So just do none. So, and say okay, see your border will go vanish. So it will be done. Shadow, it will go to shadow, and then we will see some more images, or you might go for this one also. Yes, like a dotted one is there. See, sometimes we see, right, many of the documents where they put like this Caesar and this dot means from here you are supposed to cut the page, right? This cut the page, so you can use like this kind of borders for that. Then we saw how to put images into there, then resizing of the images, then inputting the different shapes into the document. Please do practice. Please do practice it. Without practicing, computers is utter waste, children. You are supposed to practice it for sure. Okay, I'll continue with the chapter in the next class. Until then, bye bye.